Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be doing my own nails, and this is the set that we will be creating. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching and give this video a thumbs up right now. Thank you.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
So I'm going to start off by sharing the products that I'm using in today's video, and this is Mint Ninja. It is a 28-gram jar of acrylic, and all these products are available on my website, so I'll link them down below. I'll also be using candy pink acrylic powder and neon yellow acrylic powder. The loose glitter that I'm using is Stargazer, and it is this gorgeous pink and white iridescent mix. It has some matte glitters, iridescent glitters, whites, pinks. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I just had it displayed on one of the nail art trays, and I'm just popping it back into the pot there. I'm also using the new pure pink cover powder, which I'm hoping will be available soon, but it's not available just yet. I'm also using the opal crystals, which are available on my website as well, and I will link them down below. The brush that I'm using is the number 12 Rainbow Aqua brush. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful brush. It's a flat oval shape, and honestly, I adore using this brush. I'm hopefully going to be able to do a brush prep video for you guys soon, so check out, definitely not, look out for that. I'll also be using the super gloss and the instant nail glue as well. So I've already gone ahead and applied the easy tips in my clear base, and I will have a separate video showing how I do that and the process and everything, so that will be coming up soon once I've edited. It may be up before this video, it may be up afterwards, it just depends which one I get finished first. So I'm just coming in with candy pink coloured acrylic, and I'm applying it to the most part of this nail and making sure that everything is nice and even, that the pigment is spreaded out evenly. Spreaded? I'm not sure if that's a word, but I've thrown it in there. Yeah, because it's a duo marble powder, it has got that white tint to it, so you have to work a little bit wetter and long soft strokes just to diffuse that pigment. I'm then coming in with the Stargazer loose glitter and applying that over the top. Honestly, looks absolutely gorgeous. Such a perfect combination. So once I've finished applying the loose glitter, I'm coming in with Perfect Pink, and that is going to be what is blending into this design here. And I'm going to be applying it all the way for the nail bed area and up to my cuticle, just blending down over the top of that pink acrylic and the glitter as well. Also guys, if you haven't already subscribed, then please do go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss when I do an upload. Look how absolutely pretty and gorgeous this looks. I had to show a little close-up of that because I was just so impressed. I could have done a full set of this, but I wanted something bright and something fun. And I know, you're probably laughing. I'm saying that like this isn't bright and fun, because it definitely is, but you'll see what I mean. Like, I wanted like super bright. So I'm coming in with this next nail, and I'm doing a marble nail. Honestly, I was living for this look. Like, this marble turned out insanely freaking gorgeous. So I'm using Mint Ninja, neon yellow and candy pink, and I'm swirling and marbling those together. So I'm going to do that for the entire nail, and honestly, it was what dreams are made of. Literally, it was so bloody gorgeous, so bloody beautiful. So I am considering as well of doing a marble masterclass. Now, I do have a marble masterclass already available on my academy website, but it's a different type of marble. It's like a marble quote. So you do the rose quotes, like an amethyst quartz and just a earth toned quartz nail. So it's not a marble like this, but I might well do like a marble masterclass, just learning and teaching my techniques and sharing my process of that in depth with product control, ratio and all of that, what you need for a marble nail and how to perfect your marble. So if anyone's interested in that, let me know, because I can start putting that together. It does take me a while to get classes together, so I need some time to work on them. So moving on to the next nail, I'm coming in and I'm applying Mint Ninja, one of my ultimate favorites. You guys know that, and it's clearly one of your favorites too. It sells out every single time we restock. Talking about a restock, we are hoping to restock the 10-gram jars like the first week or the second week in September. I'm just waiting on the purple jars to arrive. Of course, COVID has delayed a lot of things. Some factories closed, some warehouses, some manufacturers shut for a while, so delays were to be expected. And unfortunately, we restocked and everything sold out, and now we're just like waiting for the jars. So as soon as they come, I do plan on having a huge restock. So yeah, hopefully soon, fingers crossed. So I'm just blending this in with the pure pink cover powder, blending it down over that Mint Ninja, and this combination was absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to come in next after giving you a little bit of a close-up, and I'm moving on to my pinky finger. So this one is going to be the same as my pointer finger. I'm just doing that candy pink on the free edge for most part of the nail, and then applying the loose glitter and blending in that pure pink cover powder, and it just really set off the nails and just made sure that that pink was carried across throughout the set and that everything followed and blended nicely. So for the thumbnail, I decided to go ahead and do another marble. I was so in love with it, I just had to do another one because I couldn't get enough of it. I literally could not get enough of it. So yeah, I'm just going to apply another marbled nail to the thumb, and then I'll be ready to show you guys how it's looking and then encapsulate the designs. I also just wanted to let you know as well that our gel polish over at glitterplanetuk.com is currently on sale and has 25% off. So definitely go and check those out. Okay, so now I'm finished with my design, everything is applied and I'm happy. I'm going to come in with Nail Mate Crystal Clear Acrylic and encapsulate the entire set, making sure that my apex and structure is in place and that everything is capped and protected for when I file. Okay, so once I've finished applying my clear acrylic and everything is capped, this is how the nails are looking. As you can see, I've kept everything as neat as possible so that minimal filing has to take place for shaping and finish filing the nails. You want to apply your acrylic as smooth and as neat as you possibly can and really try to get that technique down. That way you will be able to do your sets faster, you'll be more efficient when working, you can fit more sets into your day if you choose to. You don't have to, of course, but it's just a really good idea to be able to, really execute your application. So I do file and buff off of camera, and then we are coming in with some extra little jazzy designs. I'm going to be using the Oil Slick foil set, and I'm choosing this one out of that set, and I'm just going to be applying some of the Foil Mate glue to the nail and curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. You do want to allow it to air dry as well. Now the Foil Mate gel glue excuse me, the Foil Mate transfer gel does work best over dried surfaces, so you don't want to apply it over a tacky layer or over like an inhibition layer. You want to make sure that you apply it either over you wouldn't apply it over a super gloss, over a finished, why can't I get my words out? You want to apply it over a finish filed acrylic nail, or if you're applying it over gel, what you want to do is apply a gel polish. You want to apply your top coat, fully finish the nail, and then say you were coming in with like a stamping design, you want to follow the same processes. So you want to come in, buff that nail, give it a bit of a texture, take off the shine, and then come in with the Foil Mate and top coat again. It has to be over not a tacky layer for the best results possible. So next I'm coming in and I'm going to be using the Instant Nail and Gem Glue. This glue is perfect for applying nail tips, your crystals and anything like that. It's really, really just fabulous. I'm using the Pacific Opal and the Light Rose Opal mixed crystals, which are available on my website, and I'm just creating a subtle elegant design on the nails. So I'm using the Pacific Opal ones on the pink nail and then the Light Rose Opal ones on the teal nail, because I just thought it'd look really, really pretty, kind of being switched up a little bit and just looking awesome. So yeah, after I'd finished applying my crystals, I'm coming in and applying super gloss to all of the nails and then curing in the lamp. May I add, the lamp is behind me, how beautiful. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. And also the lights within the lamp are lilac LEDs. For some reason it doesn't catch on camera and it doesn't show up, and I'm just like pretty bummed about that. But you know, when you get one, you'll see it in person. It's absolutely freaking beautiful. But yeah, our lamps are available now. The launch went amazingly. We sold so many. You guys were literally waiting for those for so long, and I'm just so glad so many of you managed to get your hands on them. We do still have some left, so if you want one, then definitely check them out. They will be linked below, and my coupon code Ninja5 does also work on those as well. Anyway, this is the final result after curing in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I hope you've enjoyed creating this set with me. I hope you loved the final outcome. And as always, remember that you are bomb.com. Lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye 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 bye.